Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.